3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! Well,
Ashes to ashes.
we shot this thing 3 times today, and it broke in half. It was a good cannon, but now, Jules?
We shot 4 times.
We shot it 4 times, and now it is an X cannon.
But it was a good cannon.
It was a good cannon, but it is no longer. So now, we got the mini.
Me.
The mini him.
8. Cannons are masculine.
Okay, so we tried shooting this thing with the big cannon, and that broke. We did hit it with the cannon. See the little, we got a little bit of a chunk missing from it. And now we've decided that we're just gonna go point blank with the minigun. Yeah, so let's see how that works out.
Ha ha ha! In these hard times, you can't be losing your head.